Struggling to lose weight and keep it off? You're not alone. The secret to sustainable weight loss isn't about starving yourself, it's about eating the right foods. Imagine feeling full, satisfied, and energized while still staying within your calorie goals. Sounds too good to be true? Think again. In this video, we're counting down the top 10 low-calorie foods that not only keep you nourished but also help you feel full and satisfied. Whether you're on a diet or just aiming for a healthier lifestyle, these foods will become your new best friends. And trust me, the number one pick might just blow your mind. Number 10. Fish, the protein powerhouse. Fish isn't just delicious, it's a nutritional superstar. Packed with high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, fish like salmon, cod, and tuna are surprisingly low in calories. For example, 100 grams of cooked salmon contains less than 200 calories. Plus, its high satiety value means you'll stay full for hours. Grilled or baked, fish is a hearty, guilt-free meal you'll love. But that's not all. Fish is also rich in essential nutrients like vitamin D and B vitamins, which support overall health. Whether you're enjoying a flaky piece of cod or a juicy salmon steak, fish is a versatile and satisfying addition to any meal. Number 9. Lean meat and poultry, the hunger tamer. Craving something hearty? Lean cuts of meat and poultry are your go-to. High in protein and low in calories, they keep hunger at bay without overloading your calorie count. Just remember, skip the heavy oils and butter. Opt for grilled chicken breast or a lean steak, and you'll feel satisfied for hours. Chicken and turkey are particularly great options. They're not only low in calories but also incredibly versatile. Add them to salads, soups, or stir-fries for a protein-packed meal that keeps you full and energized. Number 8. Eggs, the breakfast champion. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse. With just 70 calories per large egg, they're packed with protein and healthy fats that keep you full and energized. Whether boiled, poached, or scrambled, eggs are a tasty and satisfying way to start your day. But eggs aren't just for breakfast. They're a great addition to any meal. Add a hard-boiled egg to your salad for extra protein, or whip up a veggie-packed omelet for a quick and easy dinner. Eggs are a simple, affordable way to stay full and satisfied. Number 7. Legumes, the fiber and protein duo. Beans, lentils, and peas are the ultimate low-calorie, high-nutrient foods. Loaded with fiber and protein, they keep you full without weighing you down. A bowl of lentil soup or a chickpea salad is not only nourishing but also incredibly satisfying. Legumes are also incredibly versatile. Use them in soups, stews, salads, or even as a meat substitute in your favorite recipes. They're a budget-friendly way to add nutrition and satisfaction to your meals. Number 6. Oats, the gut-friendly grain. Oats are a breakfast hero. High in fiber and low in calories, they absorb water and expand in your stomach, keeping you full until lunch. A warm bowl of oatmeal in the morning is the perfect way to kickstart your day. But oats aren't just for breakfast. Use them in baking, smoothies, or even savory dishes like oat risotto. They're a versatile and nutritious grain that can help you stay full and satisfied throughout the day. Number 5. Popcorn, the guilt-free snack. Yes, you read that right. Popcorn can be healthy. When air-popped and lightly seasoned, it's a low-calorie, high-fiber snack that keeps you full. At just 30 calories per cup, it's the perfect guilt-free treat for movie nights. Popcorn is also a whole grain, meaning it's packed with nutrients like antioxidants and fiber. Skip the butter and salt, and try seasoning your popcorn with herbs, spices, or a sprinkle of nutritional yeast for a flavorful and healthy snack. Number 4. Spinach, the nutrient-packed green. Spinach is a leafy green powerhouse. Packed with iron, calcium, and vitamins A and C, it's incredibly low in calories. Its high fiber content keeps you full and aids digestion, making it a must-have in your diet. Add spinach to your smoothies, salads, or saute it as a side dish. It's a versatile and nutritious green that can help you stay full and satisfied without adding extra calories. Number 3. Potatoes, the surprising satiety star. Don't let their starchy reputation fool you. Potatoes are a low-calorie, high-fiber food that keeps you full. A medium-sized boiled potato has fewer than 150 calories and is rich in vitamin C and potassium. Just skip the deep fryer, and you're golden. Potatoes are also incredibly versatile. Mash them, roast them, or bake them for a satisfying and nutritious meal. They're a budget-friendly way to add variety and satisfaction to your diet. Number 2. Celery, the crunchy hydrator. Celery is the ultimate low-calorie snack. With just 6 calories per stalk and a gram of fiber, it's incredibly satisfying. Plus, its high water content keeps you hydrated and full. Celery is also a great addition to soups, stews, and salads. Its crunchy texture and mild flavor make it a versatile and refreshing ingredient that can help you stay full and satisfied. Number 1. Cucumber, the hydration hero. And finally, the number 1 low-calorie food that keeps you full, cucumber. With a whopping 95% water content, cucumbers are refreshing, hydrating, and packed with essential vitamins and minerals. At just 16 calories per cup, they're the perfect snack for weight loss. Cucumbers are also incredibly versatile. Add them to salads, sandwiches, or enjoy them on their own with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. They're a refreshing and satisfying way to stay full and hydrated. So, there you have it. The top 10 low-calorie foods that will keep you full, satisfied, and on track with your health goals. From fish and eggs to spinach and cucumbers, these foods are game changers for anyone looking to lose weight or simply eat healthier. Ready to transform your diet? Start incorporating these foods into your meals today, and watch how they revolutionize your health journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest, happiest life. Your body will thank you.